Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to split your audio into multiple tracks in OBS Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to record your microphone, game audio, and any other sources all on separate audio tracks, making editing, balancing, or removing any sound later on a breeze. Whether you're streaming, making YouTube videos, or just want more control over your audio, this simple change can seriously level up your workflow. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to prepare OBS so it knows how many audio tracks you want and what goes where. Start by heading into your OBS settings. In the lower right corner, you'll see the Settings button. Give that a quick click. Once you're in there, find and select the Output tab along the left. Now, by default, OBS often has the output mode set to Simple. We need just a bit more fine-tuned control, so change that drop-down from Simple to Advanced. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. It just unlocks a few more useful options. Now, under the Output section, click over to the Recording tab. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a row labeled Audio Track, and next to it, 6 checkboxes, numbered from 1 to 6. OBS lets you record up to 6 separate audio tracks in one recording. Each track can hold a different source, like your microphone, your game audio, or maybe some music you're playing in the background. Decide how many tracks you want. If your goal is to separate your mic and your desktop, game audio, go ahead and tick at least tracks 1, 2, and 3. Track 1 is special because it's typically used for your mainstream or a combined mix, while the other tracks are where we'll separate the different audio sources for clean editing later. Don't be afraid to select more tracks if you feel you'll need them. It's better to set up what you might use than to have to redo your recording scheme later. Once you've chosen your tracks, click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Now comes the part where we tell OBS which audio goes on which track. Look for your audio mixer panel, usually at the bottom of the main window. Here you'll see things like mic aux and desktop audio. These are your sources. Click the little gear icon to the right of any source name and choose Advanced Audio Properties. A new window will pop up, showing all your available audio sources and a column labeled Tracks, with checkboxes from 1 to 6. This is where you assign a source to a track, or to multiple tracks if you like. For example, let's give your microphone its own clean track for editing. Uncheck everything but track 2 next to your microphone. For your desktop audio, uncheck everything but track 3. Make sure that track 1 has all sources checked, if you want a full mix for your stream or quick listening later. This way, when you record, the mixed audio plays on track 1, and you have isolated mic and game tracks on tracks 2 and 3. Super handy for editing out background noise or balancing your audio levels later on. Once your tracks are assigned, just click Close. That's it, you're all set. When you record or stream, each sound source will stay tidy on its own track, making post-production and fixes much simpler. It might feel a little technical at first, but trust me, once you've done it, you'll never want to go back to mixed audio chaos. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or need more tips for your OBS setup, drop a comment down below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy power user tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.